bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, little man, long time no see. Oh, ho, ho.
Hey, Stan.
Stan, is that you?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, honey. Merry Christmas. You're home so early.
Yeah. Dad and Ruby went to Thailand.
Oh,
So,
delightful. So, how was Christmas with Ruby? Let me get you some eggs, honey. Here are your eggs. Oh, goodness. Oh. I'm sorry. You got back early. Your father went to Thailand. Sorry. You're not gonna eat your eggs.
Morning, babe.
Good morning. How you feeling?
Good morning to you, little man.
Mom,
Yeah.
there's someone in my room.
I don't know. Is there someone in his room?
Don't look at me.
Stan, I have to tell you something. So, last night, Sam gave me the most amazing Christmas present ever.
What did Sam get you for Christmas?
Why don't I show you? Hold on.
I can't see it.
Where the hell is that stupid?
Come on, party's over. Come on.
Okay.
Oh.
You know that ring cost me a lot.
I know.
I don't make enough.
I know.
That's a freaking teacher.
I know.
We'll find the ring, Mr. Samwu.